Hello there, lovies, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the Clean With Me Boys Bedroom Edition. Are you guys ready? We have been having so much fun this summer. We've had sleepovers, parties. It's been basically organized chaos. Hold on to your bootstraps, guys. It's going to get real. Do you see this? We've been having too much fun. I mean, it's been crazy. We've had a ton of kids over, and as you can see, they enjoyed themselves. They had a good time. They didn't do their best with picking up after they were done, but hey, it happens. I'm just glad that we're really enjoying this time with each other, and the kids are enjoying themselves, and we're just living day by day and just going with the flow. I hope you guys enjoy and that you're super motivated to go ahead and knock out your kids' bedroom cleaning. Also, you're going to see the perks of being little in this video. I mean, I'm not like super little, but I'm kind of on the short end, you know, so it works. I just want to start by getting all the sheets and the comforters and the mattress protectors off so I can go ahead and throw them in the wash and have that started while we're tackling the rest of the room. Into the washing machine they go. Let me know how many of you guys got dizzy watching this in the comments below.
You wanna dance?
If you saw my other kids' bedroom clean with me, you know that I like to disinfect the plastic before I put the new mattress protector on top. Yes, I still have the plastic on because kids are kids, accidents happen, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. And I also use the protectors because I want to make sure that just in case if they rip the plastic for any reason, that the mattress is still being protected at all times. And it's great because this specific protector actually has a 10-year warranty on it, and I like to keep the allergens down and make sure that the mattress overall is protected, because who wants to spend money on buying mattresses over and over again? time to switch the load over to the dryer. Let's get it in.
You wanna dance? You wanna dance?
Look, I had to do a victory dance, y'all. Like, that zipper was giving me troubles, okay? And your girl got it done. It's done. Let's make these beds up. Let's get it together. I actually love using satin sheets and satin pillows because my kids have curly hair and we don't want the hair to get dried out or their skin. So that really helps. And just in case if they forget their bonnets or they forget their do-rags or whatever the case is, they're still covered because the pillows are satin, the sheets are satin. It all works out.
Okay, guys, don't forget to follow us on social media at Evolution of Day and our parenting blog at What the Parent, and you can also visit us at www.whattheparent.com, and you can always send us love mail to our P.O. box. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.